Denton Municipal Electric offers free energy audits for its customers. The DME Energy Auditor can perform a duct blasting test if signs of duct leakage are apparent. The auditor must first turn off the HVAC system so that no air is circulating through the ducts. The next step is to inventory all register and return vents in the house.
I use one return vent to attach the fan and seal all the remaining vents in the home. This will allow the duct blaster to depressurize the entire duct system. A healthy duct system should have no more than a 6% leakage rate. The duct blaster measures the pressure of the duct system in comparison to the exterior air pressure. The results will tell us how much forced air is lost through the home's duct system when the HVAC system is on.
Sealing, repairing, or replacing your duct system can reduce your energy usage. To schedule a free energy audit, visit dmepower.com or call 940-349-7137.